What's up guys, and welcome to another episode. Today we'll be reviewing the INFINIX Note 8i, so let's get to it. Hi, I'm Hamso and you're watching the INFINIX Note 8i review on Smart Unboxing. So INFINIX released two smartphones this year, the INFINIX Note 8 and the INFINIX Note 8i, and although they're somewhat different, they're really similar. So for starters, the INFINIX Note 8i has a 6.78-inch display. It's flat, no curves on the edges, and it gives this really nice viewing experience. There's an 8-megapixel camera on the dot notch up there on the top left. And I have to say, it takes some really impressive shots. Speaking of impressive, the INFINIX Note 8i has this quad camera system. The first one and the highest is a 48-megapixel camera. The second one right there. The rest are a 2-megapixel camera each. 2 megapixel for the macro camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor camera, and the other one is also a 2 megapixel camera. So the main camera can shoot up to 2K resolution. 2K, that's impressive for a mid-range. I love how it takes really clear, easy to bokeh kind of shots. So I took it out for a test. I mean, you don't have to put much effort on the shots to get a really nice shot. The others are a 2-megapixel depth sensor, 2 megapixel for the macro, and another 2 megapixel. And that said, I think this camera system takes really nice shots. Don't you agree? The camera is probably the most impressive feature here. If you're enjoying this video, by the way, a sub to the channel would be impressive. On the bottom you have the speaker. It's single, bottom mounted like it should always be, in my opinion. You have a USB Type-C and the earphone support. At the back there's an impressive 5200 milliamperes, non-removable. Uses this 18-watt fast charging technology. On the side you have a fingerprint, which is also a power button. Again, fingerprint on the side is really nice for me. On top you have a volume up and volume down button. Thickness is 8.9 millimeters. It's fairly thin for its size, for a 6.78 display. Inside it's powered by this 12nm Helio G80 processor. Again, good for gaming. Android 10, of course. Comes with this. So inside it comes with this 128GB, 6GB RAM. Again, nice storage, nice RAM. Wouldn't you say? I would say. Network goes up to 4G. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. Again, I will say that this, for a phone of its price, for a mid-range phone, I think the specs on this one are quite impressive. So guys, that was it. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one.